We're now at the LB28 LondonBoulder form. The LB28 works in conjunction with the LB42 or the LB5260 blocks on a job site, but as a form itself, the LB28 is as shown here, is a little bit different and has some advantages engineering-wise for some different wall styles you might be supplying. As it's shown here, the long door in the front here is a 48-inch face liner. This would be the same type of liner you would use in the LB42 or the LB5260 form. Same liner can be used in all the forms there. This would be the top of your block right here with your hook system going on top. The bottom of the block on this door over here shows a foot system that's a little bit bigger, a little more stout, and also has a bolt-on feature where there's actually a Geogrid foot option for some better connection results with reinforced walls. That's an option here too. Angled floor plate on the bottom, a backer plate on the back. The way it's set up right here, it's made, you can make multiple different blocks from the form, but as it's set up, this is to make the one front face as a solid block without any cores on the bottom part of the form. But from this, we can add in a core piece for the bottom to be bolted on the floor plate. As we're installing here, this bolt-on piece onto your floor there will help create a void in your LB28. Some big advantages to creating a block with cores. Obviously, less concrete materials need to make a block. More blocks can be shipped on a truck, and in some cases, some better principles of engineering block of heights that are maybe need to be reinforced and core filled with rock. So, also with that, on your top arm, there's a core piece there. So you have two cores kind of creating a block that's H-shaped, still with your front face here, back face here, and you can make a block that weighs approximately 1,400 pounds. We're back at the LB28 form. We did a slight conversion to make a two-sided block out of this form. In order to do that, we added in an additional 48-inch liner. Again, the same liner as you'd have on the front face or the same liners you'd use on the LB42 or the LB5260. Both faces will be 48 inches long, so you have a two-sided block, both 4 feet in faces. As the form sits right now, if you close up the form and you were to pour it right now, you'd make a solid block that would be 4 feet long and 28 inches deep and 18 inches tall. We converted from the gray legs and gray floor plate to the black floor plate and the black legs for the two-sided LB28. This block's also made to be made with cores. By bolting in this attachment here, along with the attachment on the top arm here, the same two pieces you would have with your regular LB28 form with the front face. By doing that, you can make a block, two-sided again, but with a core on each end of the block. Big advantages for that in terms of cutting. If you have a freestanding wall or something with double-sided block where you need a curve, you're able to cut on the edges and not cut through the whole solid block. In the kit for the LB28, some extra pieces that go along to make the two-sided block. You notice on the ends of the form here, 2 support legs to raise your form up in order to make both faces 48 inches long. You also notice on the sides here, 2 extra attachments that are bolted on. One here, one right here. Again, to give you that squared off, straight look on both sides. Okay, the third attachment in the assembly here, along with the top mounts, the foot supports, there's actually a top mount here to extend this door to get to 48 inches. So we'll close up the form. Now it's all sealed up, you're ready to pour your 2-sided LB28 with both cores installed.